Okay guys, so here's a deal that you guys can do. So the Crest toothpaste and the Crest mouthwash is right now on sale for $3.99. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys can use, and then when you buy 3 of them you'll get a $5 register reward. So basically you guys would buy 3 of them, you would use the 5 off of 3 coupon, you would pay $6.97, but then you'll get a $5 register reward, making them $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece. Now it looks like it's just for, according to my coupon, it looks like it's just for the mouthwash and the toothpaste. So I don't think this is a good deal for the toothpaste, but it is a pretty good deal for the mouthwash. The next deal is the all laundry detergent. Now it was $6.79, which is crazy. It's on sale for $2.99. There's currently a $1 off coupon that you guys can clip to your card, making them just $1.99. Now I scanned all of these and it says it's not available on their website, so I had to just go to my clipped coupons. So it looks like it's for the all or the snuggle. It just depends on what you guys want to get. For the puff deal, right now they are currently 4 for $5, and there is a digital coupon for $1 off of 4. So you guys would end up paying $4 for 4 of them. Comes out to be just $1 a piece if you need to stock up on tissues. The next deal we have is the Dixie plates. They are currently on sale for $3.99. They are buy one, get one 50% off. So you guys want to get 2 of them, one at $3.99, the other one at like $1.49. There is currently a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use for that. It comes out to be just $4.98 or just $2.49 a piece. I would not do this deal. There are times when it's a whole lot cheaper than that, but it's up to you guys if you really need some plates. So they got the bigger plates, the smaller plates, more of a heavy duty plate, and then they got the bowls included also. So here's a deal that you guys can use. So currently the toothbrushes are on sale for $4.99. Now these are the twin pack. We do have a $2 off coupon that you guys can use for a digital coupon. Plus we have the $4.99 Colgate toothpaste that are also have a $2 off coupon. So you guys want to buy 2 of those at $4.99. You would pay $5.98, but then you would get a $6 registry reward if you want to do that. Now another deal you guys could do with the other Colgate deal is right now the Colgate is $3.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use. Plus we have a $2 off digital mouthwash coupon for $3.99. This is $3.99 with that coupon. Now make sure you guys do not clip the $1 off coupon, but you can buy this one and that one at $3.99. You guys would end up paying $3.98, but then you guys would get 4,000 points. So this is a deal where you guys can pay with points, and it comes out to be absolutely free. So if you guys want to do that. Okay guys, so the deal that you guys can do are these Cadbury eggs or Reese's eggs. Now they are currently 4 for $3, and there is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $1 off of 4. So you guys will get them for 4 for $2, basically just 15 cents if you guys want to do that deal. So the next deal you guys can get is Gillette razors. They're currently on sale for $9.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can clip to your card. You would end up paying $7.99, but then you will get a $4 registry reward just for buying 1 of them, and it comes out to be $3.99. So not the greatest deal, but if you guys really need a razor, it's an okay deal.